Meaning of ergonomically.
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 Ergonomically. Ergonomically refers to the design of products or environments that are intended to maximize efficiency and comfort for the individual user. When a product or environment is designed ergonomically, it takes into consideration the human body's capabilities and limitations, and seeks to reduce the risk of injury or discomfort while promoting productivity. The result of an ergonomic design is an environment or product that is more comfortable, efficient, and safe to use. This approach is particularly important in workplaces where employees spend long periods of time at their desks or engaged in repetitive tasks.